Thank you, Honorable Chair. The names of the arresting officers are as follows: Senior Sergeant Sigei, Sergeant Kirui, PC Kenyoni, PC Rapudo, and PC Mwanzi, all of DCI headquarters serious crime unit. Honorable Chair, the suspect was arrested from Homa Bay County and straight away driven to Nairobi and booked at Central Police Station. Honorable Chair, the time of the booking was 21:32 hours. Void OB 1360706 of 2025. And after the officers delivered the suspect to Central Police Station, the assignment of the booking and capturing that information in the digital OB was done by the report office personnel. And in this case, the details of the officer who made the entry was none other than one number 86999, PC Constable Mohammed Rashid Hilo Abdullahi. And in the digital booking, Honorable Chair, is a description. And he said, now Senior Sergeant Sigei, Sergeant Kirui, PC Kenyoni, PC Raputo, and PC Mwanzi, all of DCI headquarters serious crime, now booking a male suspect, namely Alfred Ojwang, to be charged with the offense of false publication, and is placed in cells by PC Mukwana, appearing normal. And that's very clear. Time 21:32. And down below, you will find this small item on parties involved. No party was involved in this entry. Means this entry was solely made by the report office personnel. Now,